CIET NCERT presents the audiobook Joyful, Textbook of Mathematics for Class 2.
Page 23. Chapter 3. Fun with Numbers. To start with, we have a Ginlari. We can see the first card which says 22 placed at a certain length. Following that, there are 3-4 cards which have no number written on them. They are blank.
Look at the Ginlari. A. How many beads are there in Ginlari? Blank.
B. There are some blank cards on the Ginlari. Write the numbers on them by counting the number of beads.
C. Make number cards for the given numbers and place them on your Ginlari. The numbers are 38, 44, 58, 65 and 98.
Look at the number strip and fill in the blanks. Now, on the left side of the page, we have a number strip. The numbers start from 49 and end at 100. We can see a butterfly placed on number 52. Then we have a pink flower on number 58. Then going down the strip on number 68, we can see a frog. Going further down, we have a honeybee on number 78. Then on number 83, we have a red flower, then followed by a yellow flower on number 88, and finally a squirrel on number 95.
Look at the number strip and fill in the blanks.
A. The butterfly moves blank steps forward to reach the pink flower.
B. The honeybee moves blank steps forward to reach the red flower and blank steps forward to reach the yellow flower.
C. The squirrel jumps 2 steps backward, 5 steps forward, and again 3 steps backward. It will reach at blank.
D. The frog jumps 2 steps forward, 7 steps backward, and again 3 steps backward to reach blank.
Page 24. Let us play. Guess my number.
A child thinks of a number and other children have to guess it. Children will ask questions like, is it more than 50? Are the 2 digits of the number same? Questions that can be answered in yes or no. They can ask maximum 10 questions to guess the number.
Now, we have an image here. The girl is thinking about number 30. The boy in the center asks, is it more than 40? Does it have 0 as a digit? And the boy on the right side says, is it less than 20?
Guess my place. 3 ants are sitting on a number line. Write the numbers for these ants. Here is a number line. On extreme left, the number written is 20. And on extreme right, the number written is 80. In between, there are 5 points on the number line. On first point, there is a black ant. On third point, there is a red ant. On fourth point, there is a brown ant.
Black ant is sitting on the number blank.
Red ant is sitting on the number blank.
Brown ant is sitting on the number blank.
Draw an ant on number 65 on the number line shown. Draw a sugar cube on number 79 on the number line shown.
Page 25. Look how jumpy the frog is jumping. Do you observe a pattern here?
A number line is given. The first number is 1 and last number is 20. A frog is placed on number 2.
The frog which is placed at number 2 jumps 9 times, and in every jump he crosses 2 points. That is, from 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, 14 to 16, 16 to 18, and finally from 18 to 20.
In the second number line, the first number is 1 and last number is 20.
The frog is placed on number 3. Here he makes 5 jumps. In every jump, he crosses 3 points. That is, starting from number 3 to number 6, from number 6 to 9, from 9 to 12, from 12 to 15, from 15 to 18.
Complete the patterns. A.
Now, once again, we have a number line. The first number is 1 and the last number is 20. The frog is sitting on point 1. In every jump, he crosses 3 points. In his first jump, he starts from number 1 and goes to 4. Then in second jump, he starts from number 4 and reaches number 7. Now give the answers.
1, 4, 7, blank, 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 blank. B.
Now we have one more number line. The first number on the number line is 40 and the last is 75. Now the frog is there once again. He starts jumping from number 40. He then jumps to 45 and finally to 50. Now give the answers.
40, 45, 50, blank, 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 blank. C.
Now one more number line. This time it starts from number 50 and the final number is 90. We have the frog here once again. He starts jumping from number 50. In his first jump, he reaches number 60 from 50. Now, answer the following.
50, 60, blank, blank, blank.
Encourage children to make their own number line on the ground and ask them to jump on it. Ask them questions such as, if you jump in steps of 2, which numbers will you step on, etc. Page 26.
Let us do. There is a number chart. It has numbers from 1 to 100. Some of the numbers have been marked with circle and a triangle.
A. On the number chart, use skip counting in 2 and draw circle on the numbers. Now, use skip counting in 5 and draw triangle on the numbers in the number chart.
B. Write down the numbers that are common to the skips in 2s and 5s. Blank.
C. Write down the numbers that are common to the skips in 2s, 3s and 5s. Blank.
D. Write down the numbers common to the skips of 5s and 7s. Blank.
Jump and find the answers. Write yes or no. Make a number line on the ground and jump on it.
A. If you start from 10 and jump counting in tens, will you land on number 100 at any time? Blank.
B. Jump and find out if you start at 5 and count in 5s. Will you jump on number 40 at any time? Blank.
C. If you start from 0 and count in 5s, will you jump on number 55 at any time? Blank.
D. If you start from 4 and count in 2s, will you jump on number 17 at any time? Blank.
E. If you start from number 13 and count in 3s, will you jump on number 24 at any time? Blank.
Page 27. Let us jump backward. Complete the patterns given. Now we have a number line here. It starts with number 0 and ends at 10. Here, the frog is at number 10. He starts jumping backwards. He takes 3 jumps, that is, from 10 to 9, 9 to 8, and from 8 to 7. What comes just before 10? What comes just before 9?
10, 9, 8, blank, 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 blank. A.
Now, the next number line. It starts from number 5 and ends at 40. Now our dear frog is sitting at number 40. He takes his first jump and reaches 37. In the next jump, he reaches number 34. Now, answer the following.
40, 37, 34, blank, 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 blank. B.
Now, the next number line. This starts from number 35 and ends at 70. Now, the dear frog is here once again, and it seems he has more energy this time. He starts his jump from 70 and reaches number 65. Now, answer the following.
70, 65, 60, blank, 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 blank. C.
Now, the next number line. This one starts from 60 and ends at 100. Our dear frog is at 100 and he's getting more energetic. From 100, he jumps to 90. Now, answer the following.
100, 90, blank, blank, blank. D.
Now, the next number line. This starts from number 40 and ends at 100. It seems our dear frog wants to prove something this time. He is into long jumping. He starts from 100 and lands at 80. Now, answer the following.
100, 80, blank, blank.
Is there a pattern in the given numbers? If not, change the numbers to create a pattern. Also, extend it.
100, 90, 80, 70, 60, blank, blank, blank.
Page 28. Let us talk.
A. Rizwan is counting numbers from 20 onwards. Will he say the number 19 in his count? Explain why.
B. Chavi is counting numbers in twos from 10 onwards. Will she say 43? Explain why.
C. Mala is counting backwards from 20. How many steps will it take to reach 0? Explain why.
D. Viraj is counting backwards in twos from 20. How many steps will it take to reach 0? Discuss.
Patterns in number chart. We have a number chart here and the numbers are written from 1 to 100. We see a diagonal row highlighted in green. Each row has 10 numbers. Like the first row has 1 to 10, second row has 11 to 20, third row has 21 to 30 and so on. In the number chart, we can see a diagonal row highlighted in green. The numbers that it covers are 1, 12, 23, 34, 45 and so on.
Page 29. Let us do. Look at the number chart and write down the answers. Blank comes just before 10.
Blank comes just before 20.
Blank comes just before 30.
Blank comes just before 40.
Do you see any pattern? Shade the numbers on the number chart. Does the pattern continue for other numbers? If yes, write the pattern. Blank, 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 blank.
Now look at the numbers colored green in the number chart. Write them. 1, 12, 23, blank, 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 blank.
What pattern do you notice? Discuss. Lakshanya made a number window and placed it on the number chart as shown here.
We can see a number chart here. It has numbers from 1 to 100. There is a number window around number 28. Over 28 it is written 10 less. Under 28 it is written 10 more. On the left hand side of 28 it is written 1 less. On the right-hand side of 28, it is written one more.
A. If the center of the window is placed on 28, which number will be on the top of it? Blank.
B. Which number will be below it? Blank.
C. Which number will be on its right? Blank.
D. Which number will be on its left? Blank.
Page 30. E. Let us do it for other numbers. We have number grids here for you. The first grid has number 53 at the center. On the top, bottom, left and right, there are blank spaces. Fill them. The second grid has number 26 at the center. Please fill the blank spaces around it. And finally, we have number 74 at the center. Fill the blank spaces around it.
F. Based on the same number grid, fill the missing numbers. The first grid has number 8. Fill the missing numbers around it.
In the second grid, we can see number 57 in one of the blocks. Fill the rest of the blank spaces.
The third grid has number 46. Fill in the blank spaces around it.
The next grid has 69 written in one of the spaces. Fill the rest of the blanks. In the next grid, we have number 16 here for you. Fill in the rest of the blanks. The next grid has number 32 in one of the blocks. Fill in the rest of them.
Seventh grid has number 65 on it. Fill rest of the spaces. Eighth grid has number 36 on it. Fill rest of the blanks.
And finally, the last number grid has 55 at the center. Please fill in the 3 blanks above it and 3 below it. Page 31. Exploring patterns. Observe how the number of blocks are increasing in the given shapes and extend the pattern.
A. First shape has 1 block. Second shape has 3 blocks. Third shape has 6 blocks. Blank, blank. Fill in the spaces following the same pattern with the number of blocks.
B. The first shape has 1 block. The second one has 4. The third one has 9. Fill in the 2 blanks following the same pattern.
C. First shape has 5 blocks. Second shape has 8 blocks. Fill in the 2 blanks following the same pattern.
Let us play bingo. Make a 3x4 grid for playing bingo. Fill the boxes of the grid with any number from 2 to 12. Numbers can be repeated.
Let one child throw 2 dice and say the sum of the numbers of dots on the dice. Other children will cross the number on their grid. Continue this till child crosses all the numbers. Bingo!
Encourage children to develop their strategy for selecting the numbers to be written on the grid.
You were just listening to this audiobook, Joyful. Narrators Harpreet Kaur and Neeraj Yadav. Technical coordination Bati Langlingdo. Sound recordist Vikas Sangwan. Assistance in production Shanu Muksim. Produced and directed by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook was brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.